and welcome to your Power Maths. We're going to start off by counting backwards from 20.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Here we go.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Well done. Now today I would like to share with you a website where you can play a game with a 10 frame. Now this website is brilliant because it asks you lots of different ways and shows you lots of different ways of how you can use your 10 frame. So let's go take a look. Now for this game, there are different games down the sides here with the numbers against them that you can play. Start off by playing game number 1, which is called How Many? And you can choose at the top if you have red counters, or you can have a bug, or you can have apples, or you can have a star.
Bugs are there?
How many bugs are there? So we've got to look at our 10 frame and have a look at how many bugs are in our 10 frame. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And well done if you did our faster way where you knew the top line had 5, so you put 5 in your head and then you counted on 6, 7.
How many bugs are there?
How many books are there? Without even counting, how many are there? Well done, you can see 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's press 5.
How many bugs are there?
How many are there now? We've got 1 less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic.
How many squares are empty?
Aha. Now it's asking us a different question. Before, it asked us how many books, so how many counters were on our 10 frame. Now it's asking how many are empty. So how many of these squares have not got a bug in them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try.
How many bugs are there?
Without counting, how many books are in my 10 frame altogether? There's 10, and when you do 10, you have to write both numbers, a 1 and a 0. 10.
How many bugs are there?
So you can play this game as long as you would like to, and just be careful because it asks you differently whether to count how many books are there, or stars, or apples, or counters, or it asks you how many are empty. You've got to really make sure those listening ears are switched on so you can answer the question correctly. Now, the next game is game number 2 called Build. So let's take a look.
Move 8 bugs to the frame.
So we've got to move 8 bugs to the frame. Now, is 8 bigger or smaller than 5? It's bigger, isn't it? So if you want a quicker way of doing it, you can grab the 5 and put 5 straight in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, gone. Oh, you need to be there. You keep on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hooray!
Move 2 bugs to the frame.
Now, is 2 bigger or smaller than 5? It's smaller, isn't it? So we can't grab 5 and put them in because that would be too many. So we're going to have to do one at a time. 1, 2. Let's check.
Move 4 bugs to the frame.
Is 4 bigger or smaller than 5? It's smaller, isn't it? So let's move one at a time. 1. Oh. Oh. Internet's going a little bit funny. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Move
Hooray!
2 bugs to the frame.
Right, the last game I would like you to have a go at is number 3, which is
Fill.
fill.
How many more to fill the frame?
Bugs. So we have got 3 bugs in our frame, and it wants to know how many more bugs do we need to fill the whole frame. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's double check. We're just counting our red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it. 7.
How many more bugs to fill the frame?
How many more to fill the frame? So how many gaps have I got is the same question. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hooray!
How many more bugs to fill the frame?
So when you're playing this game, once you know the answer, it's really good to start saying how many blue and how many red, because this is the beginning of us looking at our number bonds to 10. So
Play
I'll show you
all.
quickly. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 blue bugs and 8 red bugs.
How many more bugs to fill the frame?
So there we go. So it's a really good game to play today. I would like you to stick within those 3 games, because if you do the next game down, we're moving on a lot faster than we need to. So stick within those 3 games. And to begin with, just stick with game number 1. And when you get a bit more confident, start game number 2. And when you get a bit more confident, start game number 3. Have fun. I will put the link into Dodo so you can go directly to the games. But this is a really good way of really learning how to use our 10 frame to help us get better with our maths. So I hope you have lots of fun. Let me know on Dodo how you get on, and I will see you again tomorrow for some more maths. Thanks for joining me. Bye.